Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
according to Maning Lingbawan, ti iso tinapanunot da nga itimal na ti tao ditoy banaw. Tadati talaga nga numadik ti tao idi ti ammo dalaing kit pumatay. Tahaan da pay lang nga Christianize ti tao. Tapi na nga tuanda, di ay tigapo nga sika nga grupo no kayat mga madayaw agkwaka ti sundalo no mga baka sika ti King Ijayen. Ngimba gapo nga kasjay nga maibibos ti tao, takas jay matlang kit nagwa dati bodong. Kit dagiti daddo mga mayat nga lugar nga bodong, isu ti kinopyada, isu diyay ti ingatatta agdama, nagalaan ti tao, iti ideya da nga agwa ti kapya.
When the people were just being civilized and Christianized, there were people who lived in Tavialan, Chukligan, and Vialangao. People were happy for having a harmonious relationship and productive plant. But one day, there were people who were married and they were Lamawan and Lawiching. And Lawiching is a beautiful woman. They were happy as a couple because they were together. You can see them part ways. But unfortunately, there was a man in Vialangao who was named Givayan and got liking to Lawiching. He visits Lawiching secretly whenever Limawan leaves their house to visit their farm. One day, Limawan saw Givayan come out their house, and there he started to be suspicious and wanted to kill them both once he catch them on act. So then, he kept on observing them. Until one day, people went to fishing including Limawan. They built a trap with different technique to catch fish. Unluckily, it turns out as expected, their trap would yield a plenty of catch. The people caught plenty. Due to that, Limawan went to invite Givayan. Let us go. There are plenty of them there. Let's roll over the huge rock. Limawan said, as Givayan was persuaded. However, Limawan hacked Givayan, and Givayan died, and he cut off his thing, his penis, and he mixed it with the gabis. He then went home. When he reached home, he let his wife Lawiching cook what he got. But Lawiching were shocked to see what her husband has gotten. Lawiching knows that her husband already found out her affair with Givayan through Limawan. Couldn't catch them together, and so she just kept her mouth shut. From then on, there were differences between Tavlayan and Vialangao, Chukligan, for he had killed Givayan. And so, there began the stealing of chickens, stealing of dogs, all pigs, and even carabaos. They would also steal from one another. And the elderly men were so exasperated that they came to an agreement. Now, this is what we should do. Why the problem has gotten bigger and bigger. Let us just go on with the killing, they reportedly said as they faced one another, ready to kill each other. But Lawiching get undressed and ran between them. Kill me, for I am the cause of it all, she said, but seeing a woman undressed is forbidden. So the people come to an agreement to just do it after 2 weeks. They then separated as Lawiching and Limawan went back to their house. So then, when the time for them to fight came near, one outspoken woman named Anjayaw intervened. It's the Anjaya of old for Tavialayan and Chukligan. Until Vialangao, that was the old Anjayaw. And Anjayaw reportedly said, let us not kill one another, because if we fight one another to death, we ourselves would just be decimated. Carefully consider this. Carefully think of this. Let us settle this amicably, she reportedly said to the other old folks, and they agreed to meet those ancestors. Through the leadership of Anjayaw, the people came to an agreement to give back what they have stolen from one another, and extra one to be eaten by the mediators. The chicken you stole, return it, along with one another chicken. Butcher one chicken to be eaten by the mediators. What about Givayan who died? Someone asked. So they have punished Lamawon by making them leave the place as the penalty. That is the reason why they went to another place. They passed by the Pantikian area, and that was where they lived in the upstream part of Pantikian named Tulgaw. And that was the reason for the beginning of the setting of the rules about infractions against the peace pact. For even the parts of the peace pact, these were taken as rules as all the same. And that was the beginning of the peace pact of Banao. And that is how people are convinced that it was Banao that started the peace pact, which spread to the different parts of Kalinga, until the mountain province up to Abra, because they made peace pact with everyone. Their peace pact in mountain province, it was the same group of laws that they followed. One made by the first one whom Anjayao led, which was the way. When, for instance, there was one who erred, this is the same set of rules that they are following today.